Hey Ricky, what is today?
Today is demo day.
How are you feeling about that?
Great, excited, ready to present.
The impact that we could create in the world was so big, so I decided to quit everything and switch to entrepreneurship full-time. I met my co-founder and he told me about his crazy idea of making food dyes using fungi, and I thought it was the perfect solution to solve that problem of replacing synthetic dyes with natural solutions, and it also was a really scalable business. I used to be a management consultant. I was a professor of operational logistics too. I had a few startups related to ag before, but this was too big to let it go. So I decided to quit everything and focus on Michroma.
Are you happy you did, or do you regret it? You're like, what did I do?
Well, sometimes, but no, not really. It's what makes me wake up every day. My only objective is to make this happen and create an impact in the world. People that want to be an entrepreneur, it's not having the best idea ever, it's just starting and discovering how you can solve a huge problem with a technology. It's just connecting the dots, and then you can create innovation on top of it. Having 𝐒𝐕 certification was really good to start conversations with investors and also prove that what we are doing is real. That was huge for us because we changed our mindset. We started to think big, and now we are doing really good and growing the team every day. And this is the first industrial scale production we did. We are producing big chunks of colorants, as you can see. And this colorant is a super potent colorant to replace red 40, red number 3 in food applications, which are harmful for our health, and consumers are looking for more natural solutions. Here it's super dark potent color. As you can see, applying water, it's
a tiny bit.
Has a super strong concentration.
That's beautiful. I look forward to eating your products, Ricky.
Definitely.